Hello and welcome back to Knowledge Base. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on programming concepts. Today we're diving deep into one of the most fundamental aspects of Java, the main method signature. So let's get started. Java is one of the most popular programming languages, and every Java application starts execution from the main method. But have you ever wondered why it has a specific structure? In this video, we'll break down the main method signature in Java and explore its variations, rules, and common misconceptions. The main method is the entry point for any standalone Java application. The JVM, Java Virtual Machine, searches for this method to begin execution. Here's how it's written. Each part of this signature has a special meaning, which we'll discuss in the next slide. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Public. This means that the method is accessible from anywhere. Since the JVM needs to call this method from outside the class, it must be public. 2. Static. It allows the method to be executed without creating an instance of the class. 3. Void. The method does not return any value. 4. Main. This is the method name that the JVM recognizes as the starting point. 5. String, args. This is an array that holds command line arguments passed to the program. Let's understand why each keyword is necessary. Public ensures that JVM can access it from outside the class. Static removes the need to create an object before calling the method. Void means that the method does not return anything. String, args allows passing arguments from the command line to the program. Java allows some variations in syntax. For example, you can replace string args with string args, which is known as varargs. Similarly, you can rename the parameter name, and even use the final keyword. Many beginners try to change the main method structure, but certain modifications will cause errors. Removing public will make it inaccessible to JVM. Removing static requires an object, which is not how JVM calls main. Changing return type from void will cause a compilation error. Changing the method name will make the program non-executable. Can we overload the main method? Yes, we can. But only the standard signature will be recognized by the JVM. For example, even if this method exists, the JVM will still call the standard main method with string args. Before Java 7, we could execute Java programs without a main method using static blocks, like this. However, from Java 7 onwards, the main method is mandatory. Let's address some common questions. Can we change string args to string args? Yes, both are valid. Can the main method be private? No, because JVM won't be able to access it. Can we remove static keyword? No, this will cause a runtime error. Let's summarize what we've learned today. The main method is crucial for Java application execution. It must always be public static void main, string args. Changing its signature incorrectly leads to errors. Overloading is possible, but only the standard main method is executed by JVM. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Base for more programming tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy coding! Subscribe to our channel to increase your knowledge with the Knowledge Base. Thank you.